we're showcasing our latest listing in Barton Hills neighborhood. And we're gonna go over the top 5 reasons why this is the most spectacular listing to hit the market in Barton Hills in recent years. Reason number 3 will really impress you. Let's check it out. Number 1, it's a 1-story, single-level, mid-century home with over 3,500 square feet of living area. Number 2, it's located on a 0.346 acre lot in arguably the best part of Barton Hills, just steps away from the entrance to Zilker Park, Barton Springs Pool, and the Lady Bird Lake Hike and Bike Trail. Number 3, it was completely renovated and remodeled under the watch of up-and-coming architect Kevin Stewart, who started his career under famed Austin architect Michael Hsu. Number 4, it has the most amazing outdoor, full covered patio kitchen that overlooks the pool and guest house. Imagine entertaining your friends in this beautiful setting over evening cocktails and a chef's cuisine. Number 5, with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a separate office and a detached guest home, this is the largest and most renovated home to hit the Barton Hills market in recent years. This is truly a one-of-a-kind listing, and what we've covered here is just the tip of the iceberg. For more information, more photos, and details about how you can schedule a viewing, go to SpyglassRealty.com, click on Featured Listings, and you'll be able to see all the unique details that this home has to offer.